Hi guys, I finally got around to buy my bar end mirrors for my 2013 Street Triple R. The part number is A96381117 for anything 2013 to 2015 Street Triple R, ABS, non-ABS, and so forth. So I just bought it from Geelong, Australia, from Peter Stevens. What was it, $168? Shout out to Peter Stevens Geelong. They sold them to me for $140 each mirror, so I paid $280. I'll show you what was in the box and how I've set it all up in a sec. So each mirror is sold separately in its own box. In case you have an accident and you damage one of the mirrors, then you can just buy that particular mirror and replace it up. It comes with a few little accessories, just a bar end piece with a bolt that gets mounted on your handlebar end, and a couple of other little caps to cap where the original screw was in place on the for the original mirror. And the mirror itself, which it's a really nice make. As you can see, it's high-end quality, and I would highly recommend it. As you can see, it's just awesome. Alright, let's get installing it. To take this mirror out was a pain in the ass. It was stuck in there, couldn't take the bolt out. I damaged the hex bolt here, so in order to remove it I had to shave two sides of the bolt and then use a grip pliers to really force it open, and then it came out eventually. The kit comes with these plugs that you meant to just put in the hole here and then with a rubber mallet lock it in. I'd rather use the bolt. I can see one day you're looking for some attachment. This is very limited. I don't have much space here to attach things on my handlebars. To mount the actual mirror now is just very easy. It comes with this part. Alright, and then fit this back on the handlebar. Pointing the right direction and lock it in place. Just tighten the screw. That's it. This is really sturdy. That's it. Done. They're pretty good.